In the previous video, we have learned how to create a website in Visual Studio IDE and deploy it in IIS. But if you don't have IIS, don't worry. We can also create a website without using IIS. So mostly while developing, we won't use IIS. After building the website and after it is complete, after it is tested, we deploy to IIS. So all the website which are live, they run from IIS, Internet Information Services. But while deploying, we don't have to use IIS. Microsoft has provided a inbuilt server called Cassini, which is installed when we install Visual Studio. So this is called development server, ASP.NET development server. It is inbuilt with Visual Studio, so you can use that Cassini server while developing, and later we can deploy it in IIS. So we'll see how to create a website without using IIS, and later we'll try to deploy it in IIS. So go to File, New, Website, select Language, select Framework, select Empty Website. Here for the location, instead of HTTP, select File System. So File System will help you select the server. When you select File System as a web location, it will use inbuilt ASP.NET development server, which is installed when we install Visual Studio, that is our .NET IDE. So here the path is by default Documents folder. I'll change this, click Browse button. So ours is File System. So I'll go to our E drive, select Lectures folder, click Open. So I want my website to be in the E drive Lectures folder. Previously, when we created HTTP websites, that is when we selected HTTP here, website files were stored in C drive, inetpub, root folder. But when you select File System as web location, the folder location is your choice. You can specify whichever folder you want to store the files. Now just click OK. So it is asking us, there is already a website containing files at this location. We'll give a name to the folder. We'll call this as Cassini server. So our website will be deployed in Cassini server. Click OK. So this is our solution, this is our website, and this is the same file, configuration file. To add a web page, right click our website, select add new item, select web form, click add. So again we have design mode, split mode and source mode. Go to design mode. So this So our website is deployed in ASP.NET development server. It is called Cassini server. Let us save this. Now to run this, go to debug, start without debugging. So our website will be compiled, but this time see the URL. Here it is localhost colon and this is a port number. So our Cassini server, development server, is running on this port number and this is our website. Whereas previously this was a URL format, we did not have any port number, because IIS will by default run at port number 80, whereas when you selected Cassini server, ASP.NET Development Server, that is web location as file system, it is clearly showing that the Cassini server is running on this port number. Maybe the port number will not be always same, it will be changed dynamically, allocated dynamically. This time it is 26517. Let us try to run this again. Okay, so this time also it is again 26517. So port number is visible here, that means our Cassini server is running from this port number. So this is how you create a website using ASP.NET Development Server in Visual Studio IDE. Now you develop your website using Development Server, and finally after it is finished developing, after we are finished making changes to the website, you have to copy or deploy it to the actual IIS. So for that you have to go to the folder. So where is the folder? You have specified it as E drive, lectures, and what did we give? We have given some name. What is that called? Cassini server. Okay, so it is created in E drive, Cassini server. So this is a folder. So these are the actual files. So to copy this folder to IIS, open IIS, right click default website. If it is not opened, let us close this. Go to search, type inet mgr. So this will open IIS. Go to the root node, select sites, select default website. Now right click default website, select add virtual directory. So give some name. I am giving the same name as a folder. So this is a virtual directory which will be created, and all our files will be deployed in this virtual directory. Now select the folder, actual folder in the hard drive. Where is it? It is in our E drive. The folder name is also Cassini. It can be different. Virtual directory name and folder name can be different. Here we have given same name to remove confusion. Just select the folder, click OK, and click OK. So our folder is created in our default website node. Now go to this folder, select content view. So these are the files. You can access your web page from this folder. Right click, click browse. So our file system website, which was earlier using Cassini server, has been deployed into IIS. So today we have learned how to create a file system website, how to select ASP.NET Development Server, and how to migrate this website from Development Server to IIS. This is all for today. Thank you.